Hello there. This video is about this candle holder. I make this with pine cones. For this project you need holiday cinnamon pine cones. This is the packet that I'm going to use for this project. Here I have three different size pine cone. One is small, one is medium, and one is extra large. This one you're seeing half because of I already removed the scales, but this one was extra large pine cone. Here you're seeing small flowers. I made these flowers with a small pine cone and I took scales from this area. Only this area has the smallest scales and you can make the small flower with them. All these flowers I make with the small pine cone, and you can see here this flower size. It's really small. It's only a 1 inch in diameter. So you can see how small this one is. And this large pine cone I use for these flowers. I made these flowers with the large pine cone because the large pine cone have large size scales. You can see here this flower is 3 inch wide. So for large pine cone for large flower, medium pine cone for the medium, and small for the smalls. To make these flowers you need full one without cut scale like this one. How are you gonna remove this scale? Take your pine cone and first take out few scales with the hand. You have to remove them with the hand because they are removed very easily. So I'm going to remove them with the hand and I'm going to put them separate because I want to make small flower with them. I don't want them to mix with the large one. These flowers you can make with those small scales. Then take knife and start making hole in the core of your pine cone like I'm doing right now, and remove the yellow part as much as you can, and then you can remove all the scales easily by hand. You can see here how easily I'm doing this. After removing the scale from the pine cone, remove this yellow part because it's gonna affect flowered shape. It's pretty important to remove this one. One thing is also very important, please do not cut your pine cone scales, because when you cut your pine cone scale you're gonna have square piece. Square piece is not gonna make flower that I'm making right now. You specifically need this shape pine cone scale, and I recommend you to follow my video step by step. Now I'm going to teach you how to make the flower. I'm gonna only teach you two flowers in this video. I'm not gonna teach you in this video all the flowers that I use in this project because it's gonna make my video very long. I'm only going to teach you two flowers and how to make this candle holder step by step. If you want to learn my other flowers and you want to learn how to remove pine cone scales step by step, you can watch my all four videos. I'll leave link in the description box for you. You can see here how easily I make this flower. For these flower project you need hot glue, wooden beads, and bamboo sticks or craft sticks. You can use either one. So this is my first flower and now I'm going to make the second one. Now I'm going to make the second flower, and second flower I'm going to make with the large scales. I highly recommend you to choose different size pine cone to make different size flowers. It really works if you pick the different size cone. And here is my finished flower, the second one. Here I have this small container. I'm going to use only bottom part of this container because that's all I need. It's perfect for my candle holder. After cutting, I'm going to apply this on the hardboard, and after that I'm gonna cover it with the jute cord. Here I have Gorilla Glue. I'm going to mix this Gorilla Glue in 1 tablespoon of water. Now I'm going to apply this mixture on the base of my candle. It's going to give very nice shiny finish on the candle's base. After applying Gorilla Glue mixture, I'm going to let it dry for 2 to 3 hours. I explain everything about this video and this project. If you still have any question, please let me know about it and watch rest of the video. And here is my final project. Thanks for watching.